welcome back to my channel. This is Lexus ES200. We installed Pioneer DMH-A240BT model. It's a budget model of the brand Pioneer. I'll show you quick review of the features of that model. You have radio, Bluetooth audio, playing from USB, music and videos and pictures also. You have also iPod function, web link application that allows you to use navigation applications on your Pioneer, but you need to install the web link application on your smartphone. And you can watch videos from YouTube and mirroring screen of your smartphone. You also have a phone function when you connect your phone for calling. You have aux and rear camera input. You can install rear park camera, and when you switch to rear gear, to use the backup camera. We have a lot of settings. 13-band EQ, fader balance, volume controls, loudness in 3 levels, beep tone when you click on the screen to hear the sound, beep sound, pip pip pip. Okay, it's better with that. You have cutoff, high pass filters front and rear, and low pass for subwoofer. It starts from 25 Hz and it's going to 250. I think the only minus of that model Pioneer multimedia is that you don't have direct subwoofer control. You have low pass filter, but you don't have control for the level of the subwoofer. But I think for price of 380 leva in Bulgaria, this is the best model that you can take for that price and that features. Okay, you also have bass boost. In system settings you can choose language, iPhone settings for web link. Okay, safe mode, back camera input, dimmer auto, system information, touchscreen calibration. You can choose a different backgrounds for the Pioneer. Okay. Let's make a setup of the clock. Go to date and time. Month is 6. Seven 2024. Clock is 17. 22. Okay. That's it from us. If you have any questions, write a comment, I'll answer. And if you need multimedia or some audio upgrades for your car, you can contact us. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.